Today we're going to take a look at a pre-owned 2020 Scout 235 XSF. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is 23 foot 8 inch overall, has a beam of 8 foot 6 inches, and a dry weight of about 3,700 pounds. Beginning here on the transom, you have the YAMAHA 250 outboard. One thing great about this boat is how big the swim platform is. You have the float tee, you have your recessed ladder over here on the starboard side. On the port side, you have your live well, rod holders and cup holders all the way through. Big open cockpit. Your stern seat folds out and you need additional seating here. Bolsters all around. At your helm leaning post, you have more cup holders, more rod holders, cooler, upgraded audio with JL audio, Fusion stereo, Lenco trim tabs, Garmin, glove box, Edson steering wheel, and bolsters at the helm. Very nice setup here. Also, obviously, you have your T-top with your glass enclosure. Over on the port side, you have your head compartment, lots of storage as well. Moving further forward, the best part on these Scouts is this console seat. Gets you up high enough you can really see well, but you're centered in the boat, gives you a good place to ride. You also have storage underneath that seat that's very deep, very spacious. Under the bow seats with backrest, you have additional storage under each seat. Audio again in the front, anchor locker all the way forward as well. Semi-recessed cleats. You also have your rod holder, cup holders here in the bow. Well, again, thank you for checking out our 2020 Scout 235 XSF. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.